come true. Sometimes wishes can be granted in the most unexpected ways. Just remember, always let your conscience be your guide. Let your conscience be your guide. Let your conscience be your guide. Slaves in the magic mirror come from the farthest space. Through wind and darkness I come. Let me see thy face. As well. You gotta be careful with your wish around here, or you'll get yourself in an awful mess. But just when things look bad, fate steps in to see you through. Well, I'll be. Oh, it's the fairy!
Remember, we must always believe in our wishes, for they are the magic of the world. Now, let's all put our hearts together and make a wish come true.
Starlight, starlight, you're a star I see tonight. I wish I could, I wish I might have a wish and wish tonight. We'll make a wish and do as we see.
You see, it's just like I told you. Wishes can come true if you believe in them with all your heart. And the best part is, you'll never run out of wishes. They're shining deep down inside of you. Because that, my friends, is where the magic lives. do a little wishing